Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 cable management kits for a clean TV setup on Amazon. Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The third position goes to Pearl Gear In-Wall Cable Management Kit. The Pearl Gear In-Wall Cable Management Kit is designed to help you hide power, HDMI, Ethernet, and low-voltage cables behind your wall, creating a clean and organized entertainment area. The kit includes everything you need for installation: a drywall hole saw drill attachment, cutting template, dust bag, 2 power modules, power cables to connect wall modules, and a 6-foot extension cord. With these tools, you can complete the installation in about 30 minutes without the need for an electrician. The kit is UL and SGS certified, ensuring safety and durability. Number 2 is Data.com Electronics In-Wall Cable Management Kit. The Data.com Electronics In-Wall Cable Management Kit offers a clean and professional solution for concealing power and low-voltage cables behind your wall-mounted TV. This kit includes 2 recessed cable wall plates, a 6-foot extension cord, 2 work boxes, and 8 feet of electrical wire, allowing for a seamless installation without the need for an electrician. Designed for easy DIY installation, it provides a safe and code-compliant method to hide cables, enhancing the aesthetics of your home theater setup. The recessed plates accommodate multiple HDMI and AV cables, ensuring a tidy and organized appearance. With clear instructions and all necessary components included, this kit simplifies the process of achieving a clutter-free entertainment area. And the first position goes to EcoGear In-Wall Cable Management Kit for power and low-voltage cords. The EcoGear In-Wall Cable Management Kit provides an effective and safe solution for hiding power and low-voltage cables behind a wall-mounted TV, helping to create a clean and organized entertainment space. The kit is designed for easy DIY installation and includes 2 pre-wired grommets, a 6-foot power cord, and a drywall hole saw attachment, allowing the installation to be completed in under 30 minutes with just a drill. Its brush-style openings accommodate multiple HDMI, AV, and power cables, keeping them neatly organized and preventing tangling. All components are ETL certified, ensuring compliance with electrical safety standards, while the design minimizes wall damage and maintains a professional look. This kit is suitable for various cable types and lengths, making it a versatile option for home theaters, gaming setups, or living room TVs, and it also supports environmental initiatives with a tree planted for every kit sold. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 cable management kits for a clean TV setup that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description in the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.